নৌকা সবাইকে নমস্কার তিনি নিজে প্রেস নোট রিলিজ খালাইনাयनि চংমানি গমহাই যে কিছুদিন আগে রিগার্ডিং ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন অফ স্মোক হাউস প্রজেক্টস বেশ কয়েকটা পত্র পত্রিকা গম ফ্ল্যাশঙ্কা এবং বড়গ্রনি ধানিও কাছে কনফিউশন সৃষ্টিঙ্কা বনো ক্লারিফাই খালাইनायनि বাङै যে स्टेटास बना आं साख्लायनानै नायो महंका महाय जे अमहंका budget speech of the state government of 2024-25 o budget speech or in the budget speech of 2024-25 it was clearly mentioned in point number 36 of the projects to be taken up on the Tribal Welfare Department, Government of Tripura, that 50 smoke houses for processing of rubber seeds will be constructed at various tribal dominated areas with the project cost of rupees 37.5 crores. The primary objective of the project is to enhance the quality of rubber seeds production through skill development and hence ensuring better price to the rubber growers in the state. Mane 2024-25 budget speech afro tribal welfare department ni 36 number item omo mention khlaijakka je tribal elaka go 50 number of smoke house khlaijak nai. Accordingly, Chung tribal or Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council theke chung project submit khlaika to the state government. Hangka rang 27.5 crores mane 27 koti 50 lakh hangka under special assistance to states for capital investment dated hangka 21/1/2024 hangka te kaisa hangka 10 crore bo hangka under Suborno Jayanti tribal Tripura Nirman Yojana amo hangka 5th January 2024 mane duita dage kaisa hangka 27.5 te kaisa hangka 10 crore total 37.5 crore rang sanction engkha. Accordingly, sini oro je principal officer tongnai tribal welfare department ni PTA di sini bo o sanction mamani pore expression of interest but tender call claim online এবং newspaper boro jakha. Accordingly or nego jara intending tenderers boro participate khlaika এবং first lowest je tongnai bono samung rojakha rojakmani pore or nego chung o samung no nainani bangai kaisa committee bu form khlai rojakha bishes khlaiui Kharaksa engineer Prabhat Deborma executive engineer PWD bono chung daitto rakha je construction of 50 smoke house no supervise khlainaयनि bangai. Accordingly bo time to time khlai tongo hangka kom hangka haise je tabok porjonto 37.5 crore sanction ni bisingo chung rangmakha 7 crores hangka out of 50 smoke house selected sites ni bisingo 22 sites wo samung start ngai kono jaga 50% kono jaga 80% samung completion jak tabok je baki rang mane 37 crore 50 lakh ni bisingo matro 7 crore 7 koti rang mamani ababai sabai jagoi samung progress tongo je bad baki tabok rang mai ni bangai chung complete khlaimai angi tongkha. Hangka chung state government no time to time chung requisition rohaka Lastly, the state government no the balance amount rang rojaknani bangai 13th May 2025 o requisition rohojakka among state government no sung tabok request khlai tongo je balance amount no doi chungno oronigo rang rohoka hangkai project no complete khlaimano.